Hey again, let me talk in this video about another concept that we use it in object-oriented programming that make our code more clear and more fun. So I will make copy from this car class, so you will have all the copies. So save as, I will name it this one simple car class, then I will extend it with the word kwargs, this one. So looking back here, you see we are passing too many parameters. Maybe it is better to use this word star star then kwargs. That means, hey, there is many data is coming and I don't know what is this data. So it's better to take all these data and save them in parameter named data and save all these coming data. So now there is many data coming and all these data are saving in parameter named data, but they have different name. For example, the type getting in the tag named tab, model getting in the tab named model. So I say in this one I have something named type. Okay, yes, that's great. And same thing I do for this one. In this one I have something named model, which is model. I have this one and something named price. I have this one and name it, I know it's something long, so let me copy it, miles drive. And I have this one and something name it honor. So which is really fun. That means here this word used when you don't know how many elements you will receive, and you won't make your code more flexible. So when there is a new element added, you don't need to add it here. You just go directly and do the get method for it. You don't need to add the set because you already have it in the hash map. So now I just do here this process. Now same thing for getting a price. I don't change anything here because you're already getting it. But here for setting, I just pass this parameter. If you see here, first of all, you have the type. So you say, hey, someone will pass the type. So the type will be equal this one. Sorry, here the type will be equal this one. Then what the second parameter you expected, the model. You say, hey, the model will be this one. So what the third parameter you expected, price. You say price equal this one. I just want to keep myself in the same pattern so you will not have any problem. Miles drive and also honor. So this is another way of writing your code with kwargs. So I really like it. I prefer to use it because it makes your code more flexible. So model, price, and miles drive, and the honor. Still, you're still getting same result. No dots. So if I just run it, I have to get same result. Why? Because as I told you, this one will take all the data as a key and map. So whatever you send here, you send type, model, price, miles, all these will take them as a key dictionary, and I add them here as a dictionary. Now this data have a dictionary. When you want to get a type, just you say in that dictionary bring that type, you will bring the value. From dictionary bring model, it will bring the value. From dictionary bring price, it will bring the value. From dictionary bring miles drive, it will bring the value, which is really interesting and really amazing. Yeah, and more flexible. Here we're done, and thank you for watching.